Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of this Mandrake Pet and Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Mandrake pad from opening the Skyroot chest, and let's see what this Mandrake pad can do. I'm going to place it on my garden. Okay, and let's see the ability of this Mandrake. I'm going to click on view. Okay, this is the ability of the Mandrake pet. If you harvest Mandrake crop, you will have a chance to get rot mutation. So this Mandrake can apply the rot mutation to a random fruit in your garden when you harvest the Mandrake plant. And yeah, I think it's not really worth it because you need to plant mandrake crops on your garden, and as we know that the mandrake is single harvest plant, and then maybe the seed will disappear after new update come to the grow garden. So yeah, I think it's not worth, guys. So it's not an OP pet, I think. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.